That's the jumper voltage. We try to operate the compressor. Where's the compressor? Compressor is here. This jumper battery got also an inverter. This is the inverter terminal. We got the battery inside. We got an inverter. If we need an alternating current, we just plug in here. We just plug in here. I got the load, this one, my L80 lamp. So, to test the function of the inverter, we'll just switch this on. We got the light coming from the inverter of the jumper battery. Okay. That's an alternating current coming from the inverter of the jumper battery. Excuse me. One more time. It works. The one plug in here, okay, is the load of this one. This is 120 volts AC. The input of my the power of my LED is 120 volts AC. So the output of this one is 120 volts. So it's working. Shut off. On. That's an alternating current coming from this jumper battery. I will shut off this one. Like what I said, this is also a compressor. This is also a compressor. So it got so many functions. If we try to switch this to battery on, we could get a jumping voltage here. If we are running on the road and our battery of the car or SUV is low, we could use this one. But be sure that before you go out, you try to charge the battery of this one. So when you try to bring out the jumper voltage, it should be more than 13 volts, maybe 13.5, 13.8. So it could jumpstart your car. Okay. This is the negative terminal. This is the positive terminal. For the meantime, the voltage is just 12.78 because I just installed the new battery. Later on, I will charge this one. Okay. To shut off this jumping voltage, you just place this one here to the opposite. It's 0. Okay. And the other use of this one, it got a USB output. So meaning to say, we could plug in a USB terminal over here. USB terminal. Okay. And if you try to put your cell phone over here, it will be charged. So that's the third function of this one. For jumping the voltage, okay, if we need alternating current, we use this one. If we need to pump some air in our tire, we got a compressor. Okay, we got the compressor. And if you want to charge your cell phone, we could charge it. It got a USB terminal. Right? It got a cigarette lighter thing. So this jumper battery is actually very useful. It got so many uses. Uh, to make your battery alive by jumping, by switching this one to the on position and tap the plus and minus to your old battery to the battery that's dead or low in batt. The other one, if you need alternating current, we could get alternating current. Like I said, I plug in an AC load here. I got an alternating current coming from this one because this one got an inductor. The other use of this one, I don't have the hose here to put it into our tire, but there's a compressor here. Right? The last use is we got a USB terminal here in which we could charge our cell phones. Okay, that's it. That's the use of this jumper battery. It got so many uses. So just in case you are going out or out of town for a long range driving, you should bring this one or some other jumping battery gadgets. I got the electronic one, but sometimes if this is fully charged, I am bringing this one for me to be safe that if I need alternating current, I could use this one. If I need to pump some air into my tire, I could use this one. Okay. If my battery is low, okay, I could charge it by using this terminals here. And the fourth use of this one is I got a USB outlet in which we could charge our cell phones. Okay, good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David General.